Mabon is finally here. We made it through another hot summer, and the growing season is coming to an end. The sun has been providing his energy to make our crops grow big and strong for the last several months. But now his work is done. Mabon is a time of Thanksgiving. We feast and give thanks for the fruits, vegetables, grains, and herbs, like you see behind me, that have been growing all summer. Now it is time to harvest, preserve, and store all of these foods to help us get through the coming winter. In addition to feasting, there are many other fun activities that we can participate in to celebrate the autumn season. Today I'm going to share with you some of the things that my family does to celebrate the season of the autumn equinox. Our family has special traditions to celebrate the autumn equinox. We host a gathering most years at our home, so decorating is always a must. On the day of the equinox, we usually take the day off from school and work. We get in the car and we go to our favorite farm stands to buy corn stalks, mums, hay, pumpkins, and gourds. And then we decorate the front yard. We just love the simplicity and beauty of the harvest decorations.
We like to get out of the house and enjoy the beautiful day.
So today we have such a beautiful day for weather that we're taking a little bit of time to enjoy nature and come out and play disc golf. So we're out here and it is beautiful, it is warm, sun's shining, we've got some trees that are turning, and it's just a wonderful day. Other traditions are centered around special meals. We always have pumpkin or apple crepes for breakfast on the equinox. I make a batch of my herb bread using fresh herbs from my garden. And my husband makes his butternut squash soup and apple crisp to go with dinner. I'll leave the links to those recipes below in the description if you want to try those for yourself. They're delicious. If we're holding a celebration, Our friends join us for lots of food, and we have a merry fest. Then might go to Circle and hold a celebration ritual. We say farewell to the summer, and sometimes we even burn the wicker man in the fire pit to honor the sun god on his way to rest. In the weeks surrounding the equinox, we also like to pick apples, pumpkins, and sunflowers, and we try to enjoy the cooler nights when we can.
So we are here at an apple orchard picking apples and sunflowers. As you can see, we have a beautiful sunflower field here. And we found a sunflower that is big, very big actually. So we're gonna grill it to eat that. And then we are grabbing sunflowers to decorate our altar for Mabon. We're here at the apple orchard getting apples to make apple crisp for our harvest gathering.
What does your family do to celebrate?
Let us know in the comments below.
Happy equinox, my friends. So I hope you enjoyed our video. Please let us know in the comments below what you do, what your family does for your equinox celebrations. And don't forget, also below we're going to have a link to our blog, which will also have some yummy recipes that you can check out, including our crepes and our herb bread. And there's also some links to some activities that we have over in our Etsy shop if you want to check those out for some of the maybe older kids. So blessed be. Thank you for joining us. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. That will really help us out a lot and spread the message of the beauty of paganism. Happy autumn equinox. Blessed be. And thank you for joining me today on Magic with Music Hat.